In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to reinstall Roblox on a PC or laptop. So let's jump straight into it. First, what you're going to want to do is come down. You can see I'm on my desktop. You want to come down to the bottom left hand corner, click onto the search box, and in the search box you just want to go ahead and type add or remove programs. And then you'll see underneath best match, we've got the application there. So this is what you want to do first, is open up the add or remove programs. And what you can do is just scroll down this list, and first of all you want to find Roblox. Now a quick way to do this is if you come to the search box, go ahead and type Roblox into the search box. You're going to see all these different programs for Roblox. So what you want to do is uninstall all of these. So it's just going to take a minute to run through, and of course make sure you've uninstalled everything. So both for the Roblox players, if you've got Roblox Studio, you want to uninstall that as well. So once you've finished doing that and everything's uninstalled, what you want to do is come out of this and come down to your search box in the bottom left hand corner. Next, into the search box, what you want to type is run, and then open up the run app, which will come underneath best match. So next you want to put the following command, which is a % symbol, and then you want to put local app data, then another % symbol, and then click OK. So what it's going to do is bring up a folder like this, and if you click onto any of these folders and just press R on your keyboard, you should see the Roblox folder there. So what you want to do is actually delete this folder, and once that's done, the next thing you're going to want to do is just restart your computer. So once you've done that and you've restarted your computer, the final thing you want to do is just open up an internet browser. And once you've opened up an internet browser, you want to come across to roblox.com, log into your account, and load up any of these experiences. It doesn't matter which one, you can load up any of them. So I'm just going to go for All-Star Tower Defense. And all you want to do is click the green play button. And what's going to happen, you're going to get a loading message like this. And all you need to do is click onto download and install Roblox. And you'll see that's going to download, so you just click on it to run the setup program. You see that's going to start installing Roblox. And that's how to go about reinstalling Roblox. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.